Okay, hey guys, I wanted to put together a quick Bitcoin update here as we get into the end of the week. We've got some timing and price pivot points coming up here in the next week or 2 weeks, and this could result in at least a nice swing trade to the upside, if not a substantial breakout into May. So what we're looking at here is price pivots and time pivots colliding as we get into the week of March 21st. We have got a back-to-back weekly timing pivots on these cycles. So really the point of interest is going to be between Monday, March 21st and Friday, April 1st. We're seeing a lot of consolidation, and this is about as quiet as Bitcoin's been in quite some time. We've been moving sideways really since January, in between the $48,000 range down to, this 32,500 range. Got a nice wedge forming. We're getting into weekly and monthly price pivots. And we've also got shown here our weekly closing breakout in terms of our price pivots. So as we get into next week, what could happen? Well, one thing that would be potentially nice to see is a move to the downside, taking out the yearly lows on a quick spike to the downside, maybe testing that $30,000 range. I think that would get everyone very, very bearish. I think we'd potentially see a lot of capitulation and a washout. I think that would be a great buying opportunity with some really tight stops just below this 28.6, 28.550 mark. Right at that 28,000 area would be a pretty tight stop if we got down in this 29 to 30,000 range. If we were to just break out in this time frame, and we were to start to see weekly closes above the 51.8, I think we wouldn't look back. I think we'd continue to see a run up into the May timing pivots. So we'll see. Wanted to get this short video out. Time and price, when it aligns, we start to see some nice swing trades. If we were to continue sideways from here, as mentioned in the previous Bitcoin video, if we were to chop around between 35 and 45,000, we'll sit on our hands. We've got some other timing pivots further out into April and May. We'll continue to update the chart as we get into these time periods and past them, and as we reach our weekly and monthly price pivots. So have a great weekend, and we will continue to update videos as price and time meet.